I am very tired today, and what I want to talk about is motivation and sabotage, self sabotage. And what do those have in common? You know, um, so over the course of the last, I don't know, since I'll just call it since March 9th, when I removed alcohol and tobacco from my life, and then I removed caffeine from my life. So um, and now I'm looking at like heavy carbs, too much bread, and looking at sugar and these kinds of things, right? And the other day, I know I was talking about how there's still that kind of searching within, that place that wants to either check out or enhance whatever it is that I'm feeling. So, you know, like I don't demonize any of those substances. Was many times when I would get to some part in the day, have a couple of beers or whatever it was, and get very energized and creative and motivated. Oftentimes that led to, creating wonderful dishes in the kitchen, or getting inspired for art or poetry. And but then there was a plenty of times in my life when I got that same spurt of energy and motivation and creativity without any of the substances, right? But there's this place where, yeah, there's this place that, in whatever you want to call it, the dopamine system or the adrenal system or the neurosynapses of the brain, my brain anyway. And I think I hear this with a lot of people, that is just kind of waiting for that little push, for that motivation, right? How do we well, then the question is how do we change that? How do we find different things that stimulate that for us? And so I am in a place right now personally where I'm finding it very difficult to stay motivated and to stay inspired. And whatever, there's a number of things. I didn't get to bed, didn't get to sleep until way late last night. I've been tending to stay on the computer and the electronics until like right up before I go to sleep. Um, and there's that part says, well, if I shut everything down at 8 o'clock and remove all electronics from my space, then um, what am I going to do? And there's some other factors, with different activities happening in the house that don't sit well with me. But so I'm on a new track, or another thing. So there's the removal of things, the alcohol, the tobacco, whatever it is, and for whatever it is for anybody, there's a removal. But then there's that adding in. What are the adding in? So my focus is going to be on the adding in. I've got a little bit of a gut that developed over the last couple of years, and I'm determined to get rid of it. And bringing a focus into my physical well-being, not just through substance removal, but like what am I putting into my body and how am I moving my body? So you're going to be seeing some more talking around that and some um, more movement around that, and I will be tracking, much like I'm tracking this, the how many days I've been meditating and how many days I've been not, you know, doing the other things. But that's I'm gonna. It's time to take it up a notch, I would say, and bring in some other kind of motivation. Start getting that dopamine system, that internal motivation more initiated, I would say. Yeah, that's what's happening. So, Eric, you're the one that's on today. Are you have anything you want to say, or
Hey, James, thank you. We seem to be on the same track because you just wrote my song. But I think a couple of things. Yeah, I mean the bread and the sugar and the little bit of gut, and but I'm going to start developing a ritual for myself because I find continue to notice I'm undisciplined. But there's so many people I talk to that are saying the same thing right now. They're having trouble getting anything done. They're having trouble focusing. It's just like being dispersed.
Mm,
But and for me, I think the longing, I think that the comfort eating or whatever you want to call it is a longing for some depth of connection,
absolutely.
with another and with ourselves. And I think part of the depth of connection to ourselves is in the anything that we can perceive as a distraction.
Yeah, I mean, if I'm hearing you right, and I think that I tend to agree, that we pick these things up, these activities that maybe aren't so healthy. Not that they're necessarily just, intrinsically not healthy. It's just like an accumulation of them. I mean, who wants to give up ice cream completely? But you know, doing it every day and in larger amounts is a different thing. But yeah, and I noticed that and recognize that within myself too. I'm largely alone here. I don't have a romantic partner, and there's a desire to be, and there's not really community around me at this point either. So, there's a desire for that. And it's just the way it is right now too. But that internal motivation, um, I I do feel can be kickstarted, because it
Yeah,
does,
and I think that
does start.
go ahead.
Yeah, I was just gonna say it does start with us. That change.
Yeah, but I notice for myself too that that if I'm co-creating, that's way more satisfying for me. And that just to have another or more there that are aligned in some focus on something, I mean, that gets way juicy.
Hmm. Yep. Yeah. 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 And again, that motivation starts with us.
Yep. Yep.
And if I'm not taking care of myself physically, or mentally, like I said, staying on the computer until I go to bed is not healthy behavior, because I notice that when I lay down, my brain and my body is buzzing. It doesn't put me to sleep. There's some idea that it's going to put me to sleep, but it doesn't. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I know that.
Yeah.
I mean, intellectually, I know that, and I've known it for years. I shut off TV in the early '90s. I didn't have TV, and so I've done the healthy behaviors. Definitely have done the healthy side, and I'm just in kind of a rut right now. Around it. Is the way I would say it.
Well, I think the cool thing is we're having a recognition of this
Yeah,
process that we're in.
absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, that's really what this is all about too. When I say that's really what this is all about, there's something that hopefully this kind of activity, the meditation, the communication helps bring up and helps to resolve, that place. Right now we're in community, you know, and we're
Yep,
supporting each other and we're
yep.
yeah,
No, no.
all right. I'm gonna I'm gonna say